Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and help me grow it. Thank you. So to continue, we're going to look at one more magic method, which is the toString magic method. So why do we need this? Well, let's imagine for some reason, since I have this class that I've created here, let's say, for example, at this point, I want to echo. So I will move all this down. I just want to echo the DB. What happens when I do that? So let's go to here and refresh. So it's saying there's a recoverable error. Object of class database could not be converted to a string. Yeah? So I can't echo it out. So let's try print readable. Yes. Let's see what that does. So print readable at least shows you some data. Now it shows you the properties of this object because it is still an object. So it can still show you what properties are in there. Now sometimes there could be private properties. So let's see, for example, if we change these to private, let's see if it actually changes anything. So private property, host name. So if I refresh, now it just adds to show you that this one is a private property and it is still there. Now the thing is, the problem with this is you have no control over what information appears here. The PHP will simply decide what to show, because as you can see, there's properties here, but there are no functions and so on and so forth. So this is somebody wanting to know what is contained in that class. For example, what functions are there, what functions can they use, etc., etc. So this is where the toString function comes in. So let's add it here. So if, for example, I say function underscore underscore toString, I actually have no idea if it should be capital letter there or not, but let's come down here. Instead of all this, let's put echo, because echo forces everything to become a string before it can echo it. Okay, so method toString must return a string value. So it's important that it returns a string. So we're going to say return, let's return just an empty string for now. And now you see that the error is gone, which means now we are able to echo the DB. Now it's entirely up to you what you want to show the user. You can use this as a help feature so that when somebody does echo your class, they can actually see. You can describe to them what is going on here, why we have this function, why we have all the other functions, and so on. Or you can just give them a warning. You have no right to echo me. Something like this. So if I now refresh, you see that once we echo the DB, we have that. So this could be a good place to put all those, for example, I can say something like class, here, function or method. So maybe I want to showcase what methods I have here that the user can use to do stuff with. So there's get data, there's get by, so, and then I can describe what things I need in there, like filter or find or whatever it is. And by the way, if you want to go to another line, when you are saving things, you can say PHP underscore end of line like this. You can append that to the end. Let's see if it actually works, shall we? So let's create another method here. Method get data, then there's get by, filter, and so on. This is just for demonstrative purposes. So as you can see now, there's method get data, filter, method get this, and then you see it has gone to the next line because I have added the PHP end of line constant here. The reason to add this instead of putting the r, the /r like this or this, is because it's system independent. So which means whether you're using a Mac or you're using Windows or whatever it is, it will use the correct end of line character there. So this is how you can convert a class into a string. Here you can put all the information you want. Class created by so and so and so, whatever information you want, so that when they do echo that class, they're going to get the controlled information that you want them to see, because this class might be in a file that they have no access to, so they can't go through and start reading all this. So all they can do is echo it out, and then echo chooses what the programmer wants other people to see depending on what he programmed in here. All right, so hopefully that was easy enough to understand. I will see you in the next video.